This has a window into the living room, but the best part about this apartment is that it's a proper one bedroom in a new development in the Bronx. Now, clearly not brand new, it needs to be repainted, but look at this bedroom. Check out these windows. Split unit heat and AC, nice closet over there, another nice closet, and a linen closet. It's a really decent size. And then you've got the living room, same great windows, and kitchen straight through there. With great cabinet space, a dishwasher, some extra storage right here, like a little pantry, stainless steel appliances, just really decent. Bathroom is straight through here. They're gonna clean this up a little, but it's a nice bathroom. And take a look at that. So again, you walk in right by the kitchen, the bathroom is right there, and then you've got two closets over here, living room, bedroom, one more closet in the bedroom, and obviously great sunlight.